Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you guys how to easily find your Facebook account, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So there are two easy methods to find your account. First is just searching on Google, find Facebook account, and I'll just click search on Google. So once you're here, what you want to do is click on the first result, and it'll take you to this page right here. All you have to do here is either enter your mobile number or search by your email or your name. So what we're going to do is search by our name, and let's just enter the name of the account I'm trying to find here. Oops. Click on search, and there we go. My account popped up. That is my profile icon, and then it'll ask you to log in. Now there is another way, and the other way is through asking one of your friends or using your friend's accounts to find your account. So what we're going to do right now is just go to Facebook, and then I'll switch to one of my other accounts here. And then if I look for my name, and here I'm on the page of the account I'm trying to find. So I'll just click on the three dots, and over here on the bottom you can see Christian Schwarf's profile link. So you can just copy that link, paste it into your browser, and it should take you to your login page. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.